Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how if you want it to, when you put it in reverse, if you want the mirrors to automatically tilt downward so you can see the curb. It's kind of a nice feature. And so basically we'll go from the beginning here. You're going to hit the home button and you're going to go into settings, and then you're going to go into vehicle, and the vehicle must be running for this or it won't let you access a lot of these. Comfort and convenience, reverse tilt mirror right here. So you have off, on for driver and passenger, on for driver only, on for passenger. So those are your options. So we're going to go ahead and put driver and passenger, and that's the setting we'll have. So thanks for watching, and I'll put a link in the description of this video that has the playlist for the rest of the videos that I've made on this truck if you're interested in seeing those as well. Thanks a lot, and make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, guys.